Alright guys, this is the shifter for the Ranger. It's some kind of B&M, I can't remember. I had to make this part for it because whoever sold it to me had chopped off the shifter cable attachment, and I could have welded to it, but I was afraid it'd warp, so I just made this piece, bolts under it like that. It's normally like really low on the transmission tunnel, so I want to show y'all guys this because I'm super proud of it. My brother and my wife helped me. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Amanda. Especially thank you, Amanda. My daughter's down here recording. Thank you. Anyways, there's the shifter, and here's what I made for it to lift it up a little bit. So 2x4 square tubing. Truck needs some cup holders, so we've got 2 micro guard O'Reilly oil filters on either side of it. Technical difficulties. I'll get it set up here again. So raises it 4 inches and gives you cup holders and somewhere to mount your switches for the purge, nitrous purge, and the nitrous arming switch. Let's get that forward just a hair. So Alright, just shoot them a video and show them the cup holders and the switches and all. Everything's drilled and tapped. Miter cut the rear so I can get it back closer to the seat. Pretty proud of it.
Proud of everything.
Thanks, guys.
That showed them everything. Showing them what I played with before you started recording. Okay, yeah, bye.